Mika here, hi. This video is about stem mixing. From this to this. Let's start. I like to divide stems into low ends, which are basses, high, mid and sub, and kick drums. Other drums, percussion stems, lead and background instruments, lead vocals, background vocals, finally effects, all routed via various sub-buses to a master mix bus. I start by using a proper reference listening environment. In the box, I prefer Sonarworks Reference 4 paired with specifically factory calibrated closed-end headphones. Once a custom noise has been recorded, each stem is individually gain staged against the noise, creating a very balanced starting point. Next stage is about cutting out all silence from each stem. This helps to eliminate a lot of noise that otherwise only adds mud to the mix. After cutting out silence, each stem is treated with EQ low and high cuts, which further gives clarity to instruments that are actually present in those low and high frequencies. Next, the stereo image of each stem is adjusted based on set frequency ranges. At this stage, computer-assisted program analysis is implemented on each stem regarding possible fine-tuning of various aspects of the stems in relation to each other. From here on, the focus is on the whole mix instead of individual stems. Visual mixing is used together with critical listening for establishing a natural or otherwise desired stereo space. Further checking the low-end bass space is important, especially regarding EDM, hip-hop, rock, and other bass-heavy genres. At this point, the dynamic range is checked. It can be further adjusted during final mastering, so this value can be set to close proximity to the finally wanted one. Now we are at the point of fine-tuning the tonal balance of the mix in comparison to our tonal balance spectrum, which can be based on a whole genre or even a single track, or a custom noise providing the ultimate balance. Finally, we check that the mix still has enough headroom, and once done, we are ready to bounce our killer mix. I hope you got some ideas for your own mixing, and you are always more than welcome to get me to help you with your stems and mixes. And hey, if you like this video, please leave a comment and like it. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks.